myself. I've moved to the bed. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights out. It's about 9:45. I'm going to get a little bit of napping. The one pill of whatever they gave me for pain relief has worked because I don't have any pain down there other than if I move. So I've had just water, chicken and beef broth, and orange jello. So that's pretty much satisfied me for right now. Urine color, they say, looks good. You don't want blood in it, of course. When I moved to this position, of course, I had to cough a little bit. So you got a coughing pillow. Oh man. So that's my choices. Those desserts right now. They kind of worry about your appetite too, and boy, have I got an appetite. So I keep kidding them. I'm looking for my steak and potatoes, but they're saying no, not for a couple of days. So anyway, I'm looking at between a noon and 3 checkout tomorrow. I've actually had a male nurse in here tonight, Leon. And thank you. All right, you gonna come check on me?
Yeah.
Okay. And who are you?
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Okay. I just got my midnight check, and they said I'm good till 4 o'clock. And I'm going to go ahead and use that. Ah, my neck. Different bed. But I've had a couple different techs in here tonight, and it's been great. There was another tech that just came in, cleared me till 4, and that was, I believe, Dio. Hopefully I got it right. We're doing great. I got maybe one like on the scale of pain. I just know it's there. So anyway, damn. And of course, you really don't realize how much your stomach muscles how your stomach muscles feel until you've had this done to you. So it's definitely a choice you'll have to make. You're just going to have to weigh the scales, and of course this is going to be my new journey without my prostate. Yeah. All right. Currently 2:30 in the morning right now, and I decided to get up. Hey, I'm farting. Wouldn't know it, but farting's actually taking off some pressure inside. I still haven't had a bowel movement, but I just emptied my plastic bag for the first time, being full. I'm standing up. My butt getting sore. I don't sit around too much, so I'd rather stand than sit down. Just gave me another pain pill. It's staying right around level 5. Went from a 1 to a 1 to a 5. Spiky pains. Stomach feels full. Right around Right around here, the incisions are all swollen. Sometimes I feel a prick. I had the bed. I had the bed on a slant. Well, my throat keeps draining. Of course, because I had a tube in my throat. I'm continuously drinking stuff if I can. And I'm waiting for that first bowel movement because I haven't had one in 2 days now. So I haven't had a headache, which is great. That little machine that you're supposed to inhale and exhale on, supposed to help you prevent pneumonia. So that's my update right now. I'll go ahead and sit down a little bit. Alright. Okay, it's 6:30, 6:45. So I got a little more sleep. Now I'll start getting gas building in the area, and it definitely lets you know. They really want you to start passing gas out your back end. So it's on standing. There you go, standing again. Definitely doing much laying down. And of course, if you're in the bed too long, your butt your butt cheeks start to hurt. Oh man. I had a visit from Dr. Cranfield. Hopefully I got that right. And I asked him, am I ripping anything moving around? He says, no. You're just gonna be, it's just your stomach muscles that were exploded and expanded, should I say. And all that, it's like doing 1,000 crunches, and then the next day you're gonna feel it. My throat's still rough and scratchy, and sinus is still draining, so it don't help. Oh man. Feel weak. He says I'm due for another pain pill, which is good. And then they're going to keep me on the pill there that suppresses the cancer until they can do a good examination of the lymph nodes that they took. So there we go. Never thought passing gas was beneficial. So anyway, he says they'll set me on a regular breakfast menu this morning, which is gonna be good. 2 nights ago, the night before, I had hot dogs and hamburgers, a couple of pickles, and then topped it off with strawberry rhubarb pie. So that still hasn't. Oh yeah, and 2 ears of corn, and that still hasn't showed up. And they say that the being on the when you go under, that slows
every part of your digestive system down. Anyway, anesthesia, should I say? So where I'm at, he checked my urine, and it's just the way he says it should be. So, and I'm drinking a little bit more, but they're putting a sodium chloride in me as well, to keep me from dehydrating. All right. If this team watches it, thank you, and thanks for caring. It's currently 9:30. I've seen 2 team members come in, and I was having a little bit of gas issues, which is causing me a little bit of pain. So the more you can be up and then pass gas, the better off you'll be. They pulled that siphon bulb out of my side, which is what goes in there to suck the blood out of there while they're doing whatever they're doing. So the only thing I got left on me is my catheter, other than,
It's just me again.
Okay. They set me up for breakfast, eggs and sausage, and then for lunch, a roast beef sandwich. So we're gonna see how those go down and maintain. But I was told they took some lymph nodes, and then it's going to be about 2 to 3 weeks to analyze them.